about to unbox the entire Huawei Pura 90 series, and trust me, there's something surprising inside. Hey everyone, I'm your host. Let's jump right in. First thing you notice, the box. Clean gold and white, totally different from the Mate series. And Huawei's added a one-time seal now, which is a nice security touch. Pricing? The Pura 90 Pro Max starts at 64.99 yuan in China, about 705 pounds or $953. All right, moment of truth. Guess the color before I open it. Ready? Boom. Orange Ocean. And wow, it already feels different. Picking it up? Wait, that's lighter than I expected. Inside the box, you've got the usual eco paper inserts and accessories. The charger? Super compact, 100-watt supercharge, 20-volt 5A. The cable is a 6A USB-C, slightly overkill, but we'll take it. Dual USB-C ends, about a meter long.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Now let's get to the main event. There's a screen protector on, let's peel it off. Under the light, that display pops. Ultra low reflection, super clean look. We'll compare it later, but first impression? Strong. And yes, centered punch hole camera up front. Check out the sides. This is where it gets wild. That orange ocean mix, bright orange with electric blue. It's bold. Even the power button stands out. But yeah, glossy frame equals fingerprint magnet. You'll be wiping it a lot. Still, this color is rare on a flagship. Flip it over and it gets even crazier. That huge camera module with the triangular design, instantly recognizable. The glossy glass back almost looks unreal, like something from a CGI render. The mirror-like finish adds this dreamy effect. It barely feels like a real device. Sure, fingerprints are everywhere, but look at it. In the right light, it's stunning. Honestly, this design gets a 100 from me, no question. But I'm curious, what would you rate it? And we're not done yet. There's a big change coming next. Now check the sides. Something's changed. This time, the Huawei Pura 90 series is built camel flat, front and back, no curves at all. That quad curve display? Gone. And honestly, it feels more solid in hand. Quick poll, like curved screens? Type 1. Prefer flat? Also type 1. Let's see who wins. Jokes aside, flat screens make screen protectors way easier. Weight? 231 grams. Not light, but with glass and metal, that's expected. Build feels premium, thick sides, very flagship. And yeah, the camera bump stands out. Worried about fingerprints? Use the thin case. Better grip, fewer smudges, and it still looks great. Next up, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro. Out of the box, it's flat too, but feels different. Slimmer, lighter in hand. The frame is glossy with a brushed touch, so it's not overly reflective. And yes, screen protector is already applied. Flip to the back, and this color is pink Baler. Unique, no doubt. Camera module is still bold, but the matte finish keeps it clean, no shine. It feels soft, almost like holding a cake. The triangular layout stays with rounded corners. Compared to the Pro Max, the camera opening is smaller. Weight here is 215 grams. Lighter, easier to hold, especially with those rounded edges. Turn on the display and boom, slimmer bezels, cleaner look. It runs on HarmonyOS 6 with a light UI, and the screen-to-body ratio really pops. Now back to the main highlight, the bigger model. The display is noticeably larger than the Pro. Corners are perfectly rounded, bezels are super thin. With the wallpaper, it almost looks fake, like CGI. Resolution? 2880 by 1308. You also get always-on display and 60 and 120 Hz refresh rates. Zoom in and the sharpness is crazy. Storage is a big deal this year. This unit has 512 gigabytes. With prices rising everywhere, Richard Yao says they kept pricing steady. At this point, it's actually strong value. And the camera? This is huge, a 200 megapixel telephoto with variable aperture. That's serious power. If you love photography, this is Huawei at its best. Full camera review coming soon. If you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!